Hello friends, welcome to CyberCAD Solutions. In this session, I would like to explain the use of two important AutoCAD system variables which are MIRRTEXT and MIRRHATCH. These two are very useful in mirroring objects. So let me show you the general mirror we do in AutoCAD. So I am taking mirror command and mirroring these two with two vertical points like this. So we have got a mirror like this. But the text is a readable text which we got through mirror. But the original mirror of the text will come by setting this MIRRTEXT variable to 1. Generally the default value of this MIRRTEXT variable is 0. So MIRRTEXT. Let us set its value to 1. Now take the mirror command and do the same thing as we did earlier. So now see, we have got the original mirror of this text object. If you want this kind of original mirror of the text, then you need to set this MIRRTEXT variable to 1. Otherwise by default its value will be 0. Similar to this, let us try the same thing with hatch objects. Now let us see the use of MIRRHATCH. First of all, let me mirror these hatch objects like this. Now I would like to show you MIRRHATCH effect. So take MIRRHATCH variable. Its value by default is 0. I am setting it to 1 so that let us see what is the original mirror of hatch object. So now I am trying to mirror these two objects, box and hatch, with the same middle point. Now if you observe, so this hatch and this hatch both are having same angle, but the original mirror of this hatch object is this one. Means when we take a vertical mirror, this hatch will look like this in the mirror. So this MIRRHATCH variable will give us the original mirror of this hatch objects, just like our MIRRTEXT. If you want this real mirror of these hatch objects, you can set MIRRHATCH variable to 1. Otherwise, you can set this MIRRHATCH variable to 0 so that you will get the same hatch angle for the mirror objects. So we have seen MIRRTEXT and MIRRHATCH. So MIRRTEXT is used to get the real mirror of text objects and MIRRHATCH is used for the real mirror of hatch objects. Sometimes we may require this kind of effect in our drawings. So in such cases, you can use this MIRRTEXT and MIRRHATCH. So use these two variables as and when required. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next session.